Hey guys, welcome back to the Crafty Closet. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own tumbler holder using a few simple items from your local home improvement store. You don't want to miss this project. It's really easy and really fun. Stick around. Okay y'all, so let's get right into it. You're going to need PVC pipe for this project. Now everything is a 1/2 inch. Remember that. Everything you need for your project is going to be a 1/2 inch. So you're going to need 1/2 inch PVC pipe cut at 12 inches. I've already pre-cut this. You're going to need PVC elbows, 1/2 inch. PVC outlet elbows, 1/2 inch. You're going to need 7/8 rubber leg tips, which are these. These are like the things that go under, the legs on chairs or furniture so that it doesn't scratch it. And then you're also going to need 2-inch cut of PVC pipe. Remember, everything's a 1/2 inch. You're going to need something to cut it with. This is a pipe cutter. Of course, a ruler for your measurements when you're measuring your project out. And of course, something to mark it. So I've already pre-cut everything, and I'm going to show you how we're going to assemble this and put it together. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your two simple and easy, y'all. These are your 2-inch outlet elbows, your 2-inch. Gonna take our legs, put the tips on the bottom of them. Put our legs inside. And there you have it. That was super easy, right? Quick and simple and to the point. This project is really easy. It's fun. And you won't have to go out and buy a tumbler holder. You can make your own. Now, the most important part of this project is don't forget you need something to cut your PVC piping. I also am going to test this out. That's the only way we're going to know if this thing works. Let's see.